Microsoft Excel is a desktop spreadsheet software that can be used offline. This means that you can use it even when you don't have an internet connection. You can also save your files locally on your computer or on a network drive. Excel has more advanced features for data analysis and visualization. Excel has a wide range of functions and formulas that can be used to analyze data and create complex calculations. Excel has a wide range of chart types and customization options that allow you to create professional-looking charts and graphs. It also has more advanced charting tools that allow you to create more complex charts and graphs. Excel has a wide range of advanced formatting options that allow you to customize the appearance of your data. You can change the font, color, size, and style of your text, as well as the color and style of your cells and borders. Excel has more advanced data validation options. Excel allows you to set up data validation rules that ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. You can set up rules that require certain values to be entered in specific cells, or that prevent certain values from being entered. Google Sheets is a free-to-use cloud-based spreadsheet software that can be accessed online. This means that you don't need to install any software on your computer. Google Sheets can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. This makes it a great option for people who don't want to pay for expensive software or who need to access their files from multiple devices. Google Sheets allows for real-time collaboration with others. You can share your files with others and work on them together in real time. This makes it easy to collaborate with colleagues or classmates on projects. Google Sheets has built-in add-ons that can be used to extend its functionality. There are a wide range of add-ons available for Google Sheets that allow you to do things like create charts, import data from other sources, or automate repetitive tasks. Google Sheets has a simpler interface that is easier to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy for beginners to get started with the software.